Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And guess what? I went to my monthly meeting last night and it's time again to look at all my swaps. I'm going to have to put a picture of the one that I made. So I will do that right here. Did you think that was a cute card? Well, guess what? It won. We all vote blindly on our favorite card, and you guys, it won. So I was so excited. So that was me with my crown holding up my card. So good thing I took that picture because I don't have an actual card. I ended up giving all of mine away. So, but let me show you what I traded with some of the girls. So this is a little gift card holder. And if you guys saw my holiday catalog preview, you would have saw some of the most beautiful items in there. And I'm so excited to share this with you. So my friend Jenny made this. And it's one of the bags and it's folded over. And look, you guys, there's chocolate in there. I'll just set that off to the side. But then she has this little guy that you can put a gift card in there. And isn't that so cute? Oh, I love it. And she's so talented. And then here, look at that little card. And that's it. Like, wouldn't somebody love to get that? I just think this is so pretty. And Jenny's always so talented. And then this one, my friend Paula made. It is so cute, again, using those pumpkins. The theme was a fall theme. So we've got some Halloween in there and some pumpkins and all kinds of fun stuff. There we go. So grateful for someone like you in my life. Aw, that's how I feel about you guys. So I just love that. Oh, this was a favorite of mine. It looks like the Snow White mirror and the little apple. Super cute. This one was made by Gina. Oh, this is a fun one. Now, I don't do a Halloween, but I love this because look, it's all cut out and there's a background there. Oh, there's something scalloped on here. I wonder if that's an edgelet. I'm going to have to look now because I love that. It's beautiful. Isn't that cute? And that was made by Cindy. Look at that. And she made an envelope to go with it. And she put her envelope the same way I do. I love it. Oh, I don't know who did it. Oh, let's see here. It says, who did it here? Lauren. Lauren made this beautiful card. And it looks like it's a basket, a wooden basket full of pumpkins. So cute. Here's the Wicked that I was telling you about. If you saw my holiday catalog. Oh, did you see that? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cute. I did not see that. And they put an envelope in there too. Ah, because they decorated the envelope. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm literally getting like the heebie-jeebies from that. And this one was made by Amy. Oh my gosh, Amy. Oh my goodness. I just got the creepies. Oh. I know who I'm sending this card to. I do. I do not like that thing moving like that. I don't like it and I love it all at the same time. All right, I'm gonna, oh my goodness. Just, okay, here we go. This one was made by Becca. This is so cute with those apples. And look at the inside. It looks like a white card. And it's got that nice poppy parade color in there with the apple. Oh, it's just really cute. Alright, this guy. This was made by Debbie. And it's got that great little belly band. You can open it up and put your gift card right in there. How cute is that? Adorable. I just love belly bands. Now people, if they aren't used to belly bands, they're trying to figure out how to open it and stuff like that. So when you do give a belly band, make sure you let them know. This one is so pretty. Look at that. I just think it is gorgeous. And there's those little metallic pearls. This one was made by Linda. Oh, so pretty. You see that? All the detail. We've got this here. These are, I keep referring to the holiday catalog because I just filmed that a few minutes ago. But I was going to say these are the leaves I was talking about. So if you saw my holiday catalog, then you'll know what I'm talking about here. These are die cut, and they put the little spines in there. And then, oh, so pretty. May this season bring you smiles and love that will last all year. And this one was made by Lori. Beautiful. Take this one out here. Let me show you. There's that. Again, stamped here. And oh, so pretty. Season of Thanks. Just adorable on some very vanilla. And this one was made by Gail. And then we had a guest come in last night, Donna from the Stampin' Up office, and she gave us this lovely little gift. It's using the paper and it's stamped. It's got some doilies here. It's just so pretty. We've got that Seaside Spray ribbon there. And then inside, it has a little gift of the shimmery doilies. That was so sweet of her to come to, first of all, to come and, you know, interact with all of us. It was so nice. We enjoyed having her. But then she brought us all these beautiful little gifts. So that is everything, you guys. Let me know which one your favorite is. Ooh! Which one is your favorite? Oh my gosh. We're gonna... There we go. So, alright, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you guys wanted to order any of the items to create these cards on your own, please go to jeanpersani.stampinup.net and go ahead and make your purchase. If you do so, use this host code. And when you purchase in September using your host code, you order $50 or more, or a set of blender pens, 3 sets, and the color lifter, you also can get into my online live class for free. So, alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful one. Bye!